Oh, low side. Oh, his ankle. Ay, 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 ay. Interesting view. Interesting view. So let's take a look at that again. So we're going around a corner. So we're going around a corner. What I want to point out to you guys is that we did dump the bike. I don't know if it was because we're on the line, so it could cause some issues when it comes to traction loss. But more than likely, it seems like he probably applied the brakes. So you see how, look at the back end. See how the back end is like constantly like low like this? See how it's constantly low like this? And then all of a sudden, right before the crash, it separates like that. What's happening there is you're going to have that weight transfer to the front when you apply brakes. Okay, any deceleration is going to put transfer to the front. And that's what I'm going to assume. I can't tell because I don't have anything else. So we have transfer to the front and now we're sliding down. So that right there kind of indicates that we were starting to apply some brake pressure, deceleration, something like that. Okay, so once again, we're traveling. Let's go ahead and watch. So you see how, look how small. Look how small. You see that? And then all of a sudden it raises. And this is what I want you to see right here. What I want you to see is that right there. You see how quick? You see how quick regular denim just rips open? This is why you need to have motorcycle protective gear. Okay, your denim's not going to do anything. Guess where it ripped? Right around the knee, right where you have impact protection. So he probably hit that knee on the ground. But take a look at his ankle too. So it hits. There's his left knee hitting the ground. And just watch his ankle just flip around. Now, it's hopefully his whole leg flipped. And not just his ankle. So, yeah, you have a jacket on. Yeah, you have a helmet. Look, there's the face impact. There's the hand impact. But why aren't we protecting our lower extremities? This is why you need to have full gear. Now, guys, I have a gear list in the description. So maybe he was applying the brakes because these cars might have applied the brakes. Maybe he was going too fast and he's thinking he was going to hit those cars. So this was a single vehicle accident. But here's the thing, guys. I have a list in the description. REVZILLA has a great amount of stuff. And it has a beginner gear list right there. And I actually have the Reacts Ultra Mesh jacket, pants, and then I have the Reacts Tasker gloves. So that's their brand. It's like Cycle Gear and REVZILLA put together. And I absolutely love them. Really good stuff. You think those cars are parked? Probably. Side by side, though, I don't know. They just might seem parked because we're moving and they're not. So that's that motion-induced blindness, right? That was a good thing to point out, though. That was a good thing to point out. That's what I want you guys to do. I want you guys to point out as much as possible during these live streams. That allows me to kind of go back and be like, you know what, maybe I'm wrong. And if I am wrong, yeah, I am wrong. And we can learn. That's the beauty of an after-action review. This isn't just me telling you guys what's happening. This is all of us coming together with a good conclusion. So thank you, David.